What's this? What is it, Nutmeg? What is it? Oh, Jojo, not you too. Yeah. Is that a bird? I didn't think that was a bird. What is it? Oh, honey, it's a balloon. It's a balloon. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. We found some balloons in the backyard. There they are. Oh, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? No, it's not a bird. Is it okay? Really? You want to see the bird? Yeah. Well, come see the bird. Go on. Whee! Oh. That's a funny looking bird. What are you doing? That's not a bird, honey. It's a balloon. Yeah. Oh, you want it to go bye-bye? Okay. Okay, let's bring it over here. Say bye-bye to the balloons. Say bye-bye to the balloons. There they go. Is that better? Is that better? Oh, you don't like them, do you?